How to use AI for fast market research. 3 prompts that will save you time. AI can save you time. Yes, you've heard it before. But how exactly can you use AI to streamline the most time-consuming part of marketing? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 specific AI prompts that will help you dramatically cut down the time spent on market research. Whether you're a copywriter, a business owner, or a marketer, market research is the very first step toward understanding your audience and building a strong marketing strategy. Stick around, and I'll walk you through each prompt to get results that are fast, effective, and actionable. My name is Hone, and I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Today, I'm excited to share how we use AI to speed up market research, an essential process that often takes weeks, but can now be done in a fraction of the time with the right prompts. The problem with traditional market research. Market research is crucial because it ensures you're speaking to the right people and addressing their real fears, desires, and challenges. However, it can take an enormous amount of time and effort to get it right. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, we can accelerate this process and get a clear understanding of our target audience faster. That said, let's not forget one important disclaimer. AI is a tool to help you, not a replacement for critical thinking and problem solving. AI can produce inaccuracies or even hallucinations, so it's essential to combine AI-generated insights with human analysis and creativity. 3 AI prompts for faster market research. To get the best results, use these 3 prompts together within the same AI conversation thread. This sequence will help you create a detailed buyer persona, understand their emotional state, and craft copy that speaks to them directly. 1. Create your ideal customer avatar. Your customer avatar represents your ideal buyer, a fictitious character that embodies the person you want to sell to. The clearer you are about their demographics, motivations, and pain points, the better your AI output will be. Here's the first prompt. Prompt 1. Today, you're a world-class copywriter performing market research to better understand your audience. I want you to create an ideal buyer persona for product/service. The typical buyer is usually describe customer avatar. Include demographics, psychographics, main challenges, values, and motivations. Use powerful language and give the persona a name. Example: for a luxury dog grooming service, you might describe the buyer as a high-achieving professional woman without children, who treats her dog like family and values premium care. AI might generate a persona like luxury dog lover Laura and describe her fears, lifestyle, and motivations in a way that sparks new ideas. 2. Identify your customer's deepest fears and challenges. Once you have your ideal customer avatar, it's time to dive deeper into their emotions. People buy emotionally and justify logically, so understanding what keeps them up at night will help you connect on a deeper level. Here's the second prompt. Prompt 2. Great job. Now tell me 5 believable challenges and 5 deepest fears customer name has around finding the perfect product/service. What are they afraid of the most? What causes discomfort, anxiety, or pain? Give me fears they wouldn't admit out loud. Example: for luxury dog lover Laura, fears might include neglecting her dog's emotional needs, health concerns, or behavioral regression. AI can surface emotional drivers like guilt, pride, and worry, providing powerful insights to incorporate into your marketing. 3. Understand how your customer thinks and talks. To create copy that resonates, you need to use the words and phrases your customers think and say. This step helps you step inside their mind and speak their language. Here's the third prompt. Prompt 3. Thank you. Keeping all of those challenges and fears in mind, write a 700-word journal entry from the perspective of customer name. Example: a journal entry for luxury dog lover Laura might include emotional language like, the guilt gnaws at me, or I want my dog to feel loved, even when I'm not there. While dramatic, this output gives you powerful phrases and emotional cues to weave into your marketing copy, turning AI insights into actionable copy. These 3 prompts will provide you with a rich source of insights and language to create customer-focused copy. But remember, AI is only a starting point. It's up to you to take these insights and apply proven copywriting strategies to make your message persuasive and impactful. If you want to dive deeper into using AI for copywriting and market research, check out my detailed training programs where we combine timeless strategies with emerging AI tools to help you streamline your creative process and produce better results in less time. For conclusion, using AI for market research can save you hours of time while providing valuable insights about your audience. By using 3 targeted prompts, you can create a detailed buyer persona, uncover emotional drivers, and develop relatable, emotionally charged copy that speaks directly to your customers' fears and desires. Just remember, AI is a tool to assist, not replace, your creativity and strategic thinking.